Back in March, when the lockdown was first announced, it caught many by surprise, and when it got stretched, things quite understandably became extremely challenging for many, especially those living alone. Yami Gautam too was stuck in Mumbai with just her maid for company. The actor, though, who hails from Chandigarh, stayed put and kept herself busy with cooking and work. She says, "I must admit it wasn't easy at all, especially in the initial days of lockdown. But then I got used to living alone. As far as for my professional commitments, I had assured all my producers that I won't leave the city until I complete my job. And as a professional, I just couldn't have left any of my work midway." In fact, one of her work commitments was dubbing her portions for an upcoming film, during which she got the scare. It was tough to step out as the fear always plays on your mind, so I wanted to wrap it up quickly. But on the third day, I felt a bit unwell with a slight fever and breathlessness. Naturally, I was very distressed, but then I went for some home remedies including kahada, etc. that my mother had suggested, and thankfully I recovered and was absolutely fine in 2-3 days, says the Uri the Surgical Strike actor. A few days back, after having wrapped up all her work commitments in Mumbai, Gautam decided to fly to Chandigarh to be with her family. That flying experience too was so new with all those protective gear and guidelines. You end up feeling extremely anxious, and there's a sense of fear regardless of how much you try to keep your calm, says the actor, who quarantined herself for 2 weeks after reaching her hometown. For the past few weeks, Gautam has been spending some quality time with her family. "I know the pandemic has been extremely tough, but at the same time, it has given many people like me an opportunity to spend such lovely time with your loved ones. Otherwise, when do you get to spend so much time with your family?" says the actor, who has Ginny Wed Sunny with Vikrant Masse ready to release on an OTT platform soon. In terms of future work, Gautam has signed a few films but is waiting for the makers to make official announcements. They are also waiting for an opportune time to talk about it. For me too, talking about work feels a bit different now. But I'm really happy that I would be doing some really exciting work in the coming days. They are extremely different from one another, says the Kabil actor, who feels getting back to work like earlier would be a challenge. In the meantime, we wish the lovely lady all the very best as her Ginny Wed Sunny co-starring Vikrant Masse is ready to release on the OTT platform.